Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel I gives review about skincare and haircare products. So today I will give review about a skincare product called Facts Salicylic Acid Serum. But before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Facts Salicylic Acid Serum contains 2% of salicylic acid. It helps to smooth the skin appearance and texture. Facts Salicylic Acid Serum restore and clear your skin with the salicylic acid facial serum. Packed with 2% salicylic acid, calming aloe vera and multitasking niacinamide, the serum gently removes surface impurities and helps reduce the appearance of oil and blemishes. You can apply the serum when your skin is suffering with those stubborn breakouts and rough texture. Here is my tip for those at their first times using salicylic acid products. It's okay to use salicylic acid every day, but if you are a newbie, start by applying the drum with a damp cotton pad to dilute the strength. How to use Facts Salicylic Acid Serum. It can be used either morning or evening. In the morning, apply a few drops of the serum directly onto the face before applying makeup. Gently massage into the skin until fully absorbed. In the evening, apply a few drops of the serum directly onto cleansed, dry skin. Gently massage it to the skin until fully absorbed and leave on overnight. Shake well before using it. Avoid contact with eyes. Please retain information for future reference. Benefits of using Facts Salicylic Acid Serum. 1. Restore and clear your skin. 2. It removes surface impurities and helps reduce the appearance of oil. 3. It helped to reduce the appearance of blemishes. 4. It helped to heal stubborn breakouts and rough texture. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks.